Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Amit Joya and you're watching my YouTube channel Joy Tech. WhatsApp has released another very good update on his apps. Now user can create and join channels on their WhatsApps as like telegrams. So getting this feature on your devices, keep watching this full video and after that you will all know how to get this. So let's find out how to get channels on your WhatsApps. First of all, if you are iOS user, go to your app stores, and if you are Android user, go to your Play Store. And in the search bar, type here WhatsApp. And make sure that you have been fully updated version of your application or not. If it is required the update, please update it first and then go back, open your WhatsApp, and down the bottom you can see four options: chats, updates, communities, and calls. Simply tap at updates. Now appears my screen, you can see the channels, and down the bottom you can see all the channels. Now tap at see all. Now appears at the top, you can see all channels, most active, popular, new ones, and you can also search it from the find option. Like this you can find your channels. Appears at screen, you can see all the channels. You can select like this, you can join them. Now go back. Appears at screen, you can see all the channels. Like this you can follow these channels. I hope you like this video. If you do like so, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.